Today I'm going to show you how you can rearrange your home screen in INFINIX 030. So to open the home screen setting, just hold the finger on the display. Now we can go to the settings. Then go to the appearance, and as you can see there are a few options to edit. We can change the icon size, the page turn effect. We can also change the grid of the desktop and the text color. I think it's done for this section. Now to add a new widget, just hold the finger on the display and go to the widgets. Choose the app and hold the widget that you want to add to your home screen. Hold the finger on it. Sorry, you have to click on the add to desktop. Now you can hold the finger on it to change the size of it, or just remove the widget. To make the folder, just hold any app and drop onto another. Now we have a new folder. We can tap on it to change the name or add more apps. If you want to remove the folder, just take out all of the apps from it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.